Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about how Vanguard Cash Plus differs from a regular savings account. Vanguard Cash Plus is a cash management account designed to be an alternative to a traditional savings account. The key differences lie in how your money is handled, the interest you can earn, and the features you get. First, let's talk about the yield. The Vanguard Cash Plus account is known for offering a competitive annual percentage yield, or APY. This is often significantly higher than what you would find at a traditional bank savings account. This is because Vanguard, which is not a bank, partners with a network of banks. Your deposits are swept into these partner banks, allowing you to earn a higher return on your cash. Second, the account structure is different. A regular savings account is a straightforward bank product. The Vanguard Cash Plus account, on the other hand, is a brokerage account that holds your cash in a special program. This structure allows for a different set of features. For instance, you can integrate it with your other Vanguard investments. Third, the features themselves. While a regular savings account is focused on basic savings, Vanguard Cash Plus is more of a cash management tool. It has features like mobile check deposit, direct deposit, and bill pay functionality. It's designed to be a central hub for your short-term savings and bill payments. Lastly, there's a difference in access and services. With a regular savings account, you typically have easy access to a physical bank branch, ATMs, and other services. Vanguard Cash Plus is primarily an online account and does not offer physical checks or a debit card for ATM withdrawals. Transfers are handled electronically. In summary, Vanguard Cash Plus is a high-yield, digitally focused cash management account that functions as a strong alternative to a traditional savings account, especially for those already investing with Vanguard. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.